is so happy to celebrate Children's Day with AMPA Sishya today. Through our little heroes and big smiles, an event filled with color, creativity and loads of fun. I promise to smile with all my heart. Because every smile is a brand new start. I promise to be gentle and true and show respect in all I do. I promise to help, share and care, to lift others everywhere.
Why we celebrate Children's Day? So I'm going to tell you 3 things that children can do to keep yourselves healthy. There should be colored foods on your plate. That's the first thing. The second point is make sure you brush your teeth twice a day. And the third point is no use of mobile phones.